back. We need to buy you one of these for the house, don't we?
Oh man, I wish.
And the cool thing I love about this table is I can actually just leave that alone. And put more force in here. Some people, when they get video of their naturals, clearly I'm not a natural at this. I'm a much better chiropractor than the man behind the camera.
You mean in front of?
Either way.
Yeah.
My point exactly. All right. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
So we're gonna adjust the low back, mid back. This feels good, right?
Yeah.
You got that Baxel, right?
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't
Those
it?
work good.
I should get promotion like sponsorship for this. Baxel.